Let me ask you something. Did 2025 break you quietly? Not loudly, not dramatically, but slowly, one disappointment at a time, one ignored message, one "I will fix my life tomorrow." If you clicked this video, I already know something about you. You smiled in front of people, but inside, you feel tired of existing. Don't skip this, because what Krishna revealed on a battlefield is exactly what you need in today's world. Stay till the end. It might save how you enter to 0 to 6 to 0 to 5 wasn't hard because of one big tragedy. It was hard because of everything at once. You worked, but growth felt slow. You tried, but results didn't match effort. You loved people who slowly stopped choosing you. You scrolled endlessly, watching others win at life. And the worst part, you couldn't even explain your pain properly, because on paper your life looked fine. So you blamed yourself. Why am I still unhappy? Why can't I be consistent? Why do I feel empty even when nothing is wrong? Krishna had an answer for this, but nobody explains it this way. In today's world, we are not exhausted from work. We're exhausted from expectation. Expectation to be successful early. Expectation to be emotionally strong. Expectation to heal quickly. Expectation to figure life out. You're not broken, you're overloaded. And this is where Arjuna was too. Surrounded by people armed, capable, yet he collapsed. Not because he was weak, but because his mind was tired of carrying outcomes. Krishna didn't motivate Arjuna. He didn't say be strong or think positive. He said something dangerous. Something freeing: you have control over your actions, not over the results. Read that again. Krishna wasn't removing pain. He was removing the weight. The weight you've been carrying every day. What if I fail again? What will people think? What if 2026 is also wasted? Krishna's secret is simple but brutal. You are suffering because you are trying to control life instead of participating in it today. We don't live, perform productivity. We perform happiness. We perform healing. Even rest feels guilty. So when results don't come, we feel defective. But Krishna says your worth was never in the result. It was always in your presence. You weren't created to prove something. You were created to experience life fully. And when you forget this, you feel broken. Listen carefully. 2025 didn't break you. It revealed you. It showed where you were. Krishna never asked Arjuna to win. He asked him to stand. Stand without attachment. Stand without fear. Stand without begging life for guarantees. Before 2026 ends, do this one thing. Stop asking, will this work? Start asking, is this aligned with who I am becoming? Do the work. Detach from applause. Detach from timelines. Detach from comparison. Krishna's promise was never comfort. It was freedom. Freedom from constant mental suffering. Freedom from self-hate. Freedom from feeling behind. If no one told you this yet, let me say it clearly. You are not late. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are simply waking up, and awakening feels uncomfortable. But Krishna walks with those who continue their duty without surrendering their soul. If this helped you breathe a little easier, subscribe.